Happy Christmas, Gooners! Christmas is a time to reflect on the year's achievements. Hurrah! In your face, Tottenham.
See you in February. Nice one, Suarez.
Liverpool fans, thanks for such a warm welcome in such a cold city. It's time to rejoice. The 9th of Christmas, yeah! 9th of Christmas, baby, oh yeah! But they've all gone early again. Christmas is traditionally a time to be kind to your fellow man. I guess traditions are very different in Russia. At least 2 of my chesed still do their job properly.
To all the Leicester City fans, have a Merry Christmas at the top of the league. This will be the pizza delivery guy. A special treat for the lads. Come in. How much do I owe you?
Son, you owe me a hell of a lot. Enjoy your pizzas. And I'm sorry, son, but we ran out of ham, so we had to use replacement meat.
As long as it isn't the fox meat.
No, it's ostrich. Best wishes, Palace fans. I hope none of you are on Santa's naughty list. And if the FA are watching this, I've certainly tried to be a good boy this year. So I'll see you after Euro 2016.
Hello, Bayern fans. Soon it will be farewell. Thanks for... Hola? Ed who? No, sorry, I don't coach teams in the Europa League. As I was saying, thanks for... As I was saying, thanks for...
All I want for Christmas is you, pet baby.
You're too late.
Oh.
Shake on it. Welcome to Manchester.
Oh. If you could record a Christmas message for someone in the football world, who would it be and what would you say? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Soccer AM for more fantastic football content.